Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a picture in Procreate. The first step, open the image and turn off the visibility. Import the image into Procreate to remove the background. Turn off the visibility but uncheck the background layers box. Step 2, create a selection around the subject. Open the selection setting and select the background with the help of a stylus and tap on Cut to remove the background. Step 3. Repeat the process for negative space areas. Repeat the similar process if any area is left in the image. And Step 4. Export your end image. Once you are finished, export the end product for future editing. People usually wonder how to remove the background in Procreate because it has multiple useful features. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.